Good day everyone. On this video, we will learn how to mail merge Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. So let's get to it. First, you need to open your Microsoft Word. Next, open an existing document or create a new document. Next, click on Mailings. Next, click on Start Mail Merge. On the drop-down menu, click on Email Messages. Next, click on Select Recipients. On the drop-down menu, click on Use an Existing List and wait for the file selector to load. On this part, you will need your data bank from your Microsoft Excel. Next, select the file containing your data bank and click Open. Next, select the appropriate sheet containing your data bank and click on OK. First, we need to highlight sender's name. Next, click on Insert Merge Field and click on Sender. Next, we're going to highlight address and click again on Insert Merge Field and find Sender Address. On the remaining parts of the document, just repeat the steps, highlight, click on Insert Merge Field and find the appropriate data. And now we're done. To check the results, click on Preview Results and it will automatically change the data on the document. To finish it up, click on Finish and Merge. On the drop-down menu, click on Send Email Messages. In the recipient of the email, select the emails of the recipient. In the subject line, input the necessary subject for the email and click on OK. That's all for this video and thanks for watching.